Welcome to today's manifestation journey. Have you ever heard about the 369 method? This technique has changed the lives of thousands of people by helping them align their energy with the universe. Today, I will guide you step by step through this powerful practice so you can attract the life you truly desire. The 369 method is simple, yet extremely powerful. It is based on the idea that numbers hold spiritual vibrations, and 3, 6, and 9 are considered divine numbers. Nikola Tesla, a great inventor, once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." In this method, you write your affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. By doing this daily, you are programming your subconscious mind and sending a clear signal to the universe about what you want. Here is how you can practice the 369 manifestation method. Step 1. Choose your desire. Be specific. It could be money, love, health, or success. Step 2. Create one powerful affirmation in present tense. For example, instead of saying "I want money," say "I am financially abundant." Instead of saying "I want love," say "I am surrounded by pure, unconditional love." Step 3. Morning practice. Right after waking up, write your affirmation 3 times in your journal. Feel the words as if they are already true. Step 4. Afternoon practice. Around midday, write your affirmation 6 times. Take a deep breath each time and visualize your dream life. Step 5. Night practice. Before going to sleep, write your affirmation 9 times. This is the most powerful step because your subconscious mind will hold on to these thoughts as you rest. When you repeat this daily, you are planting seeds of energy into the universe, and soon you will see them grow into reality. Now let's practice together. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your desire already fulfilled. See it, feel it, believe it. Repeat after me, slowly with faith. I am worthy of my dreams. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. What I desire desires me too. The universe is always working in my favor. Each time you repeat these words, you are reprogramming your mind and attracting your dream life closer to you. The 369 method is not just about writing words. It is about believing, feeling, and living as if your wish has already come true. Trust the timing of the universe, stay consistent, and allow the magic to unfold. Thank you for joining this session today. Remember, you are powerful, you are worthy, and you are capable of manifesting anything you desire.